Greetings, everyone. My name is Arande Vassell. I'm part of the marketing team here at PPI Technologies Group. We are so excited about this year's Pack Expo in Las Vegas, Nevada. But wait, before we head out there, let's give you guys a sneak peek. All right, this machine right here is the Psg Lee 314 Duplex. This bad boy is all about a quick changeover.
Thank you, Arande. You're right. This machine can change over pouches in less than 10 minutes. It's a co-packer's dream. It can package anything from mushrooms to pasta to tomato sauce. Wait, that kind of sounds like dinner. But I've got more to show you. Come right this way.